Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurul Faiza and my friend Safira Elvanur. We are from Group 5.
The discussion we will talk about is dealing with the character or how to be a good teacher.
We wanna explain and talk about how the teacher turn the volume up and down in the classroom. Basically, the turn of the volume can change naturally depends on particular reasons. It can be based on the space, situation, or the activity in the class. So, when the teacher may set the volume up in the classroom, the teacher may set the volume up based on particular reasons. Like the first one is to make it audible. Second is giving variety. Third is teaching outside. And the fourth is to make policies. So, the first one is to make it audible. The goal in learning process is all students can understand the material to be delivered. The teacher should up the volume of the voice in order to make sure what the teacher says can be heard by the students in the whole classroom. That way, the voice will be heard clearly and the material can be well received by all students. Next is giving variety. It can be based on the particular situation and purpose. Such teacher set the variety of the volume up to highlight activity, for instance while giving instruction, introduce new activity, or praising the students. The third is teaching outside. It's different from the situation and environment when the teacher sitting inside in the room. The teacher's voice needs to be louder while speaking every time. The reason is teaching outside can indeed affect the level of clarity of the voice conveyed. And the last is to make policies. The teacher needs to turn volume up to make policies. This policy usually emphasize giving rules and delivering assignment in the class. The teacher's voice at this time greatly affect the level of understanding of students in accepting the rule of policies.
Meanwhile, the teacher should turn the volume of their voice down if they face these particular reasons. First, the teacher being aware of causing unpleasant situation. Even it will be easier for the students to hear, the use of high volume voice is not always allowed. In particular contexts, the voice that somehow unpleasantly loudly can be irritating and unhelpful for learning activity, even make the students feel uncomfortable. Second, giving variety. Rather than using high volume or low volume all the time, it is known that varying volume while teaching is considered as important. It can be done by adjusting to certain class situation or activity. For instance, the teacher can turn the volume down while having face-to-face interaction with certain students, or when the classroom size or space is narrow with a small amount of students. The teacher also can set the volume down when conducting class discussion that requires the students to speak more. This is also dealing with the activity that requires the teacher to give a long explanation that may need more effort and energy. Third, getting students' attention. Turning the volume down while speaking in the classroom somehow can be effective to attract the students' attention. For instance, when they realize the teacher is speaking, they try to be quiet and listen intensively in case the teacher has something important or interesting. In conclude, the use or the setting of the volume of voice while teaching should be taken into account, since it can affect the students' learning activity. Even though the change of the volume may naturally occur and unconsciously, the teacher can varying the volume up and down refer to certain type of activity, situation and environment or space. All in all, what is important is the teacher should observe, what the needs of the student and the teaching activity itself.